Welcome to Hit the Mark Trading's daily TF Russell Futures review, the Russell 2000. My name is Martin Rimes. Today's date is Tuesday, January 7, 2014. Want to ask you to please check out hitthemarktrading.com. Sign up for weekly updates. You can also sign up for Rooster Call. Rooster Call is my very brief early morning look at the news wires and the charts. I write this for clients, and I'd like to send it to you absolutely free. Remember, everything we talk about in this video discussion is for your educational purposes only. All right, let's look at the charts. Here's the Russell 2000 daily, and gosh, our resistance held. Remember that? Well, it was resistance here, but in our business, resistance becomes support, right? So resistance here, support here, it held. That's a good test. Now, blow this up where we can see it. All right, let's draw a little line here. And the question is, all right, do we have pullback? Well, not quite. Not quite. Close. But as soon as we etched up, pop back down. Okay? So it's really a 1, 2, 3, 4 day sideway action, really. I think you should know that the ADP private sector report on employment, that'll probably cause an initial pop when that's released at 8:15 a.m. ET. Okay? The biggie for tomorrow, is 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, the FOMC minutes. Now, I would think that we're going to see the Fed say all kind of positive things about the economy, and that help push stocks up. The only problem with that is that if traders believe, oh no, they're going to taper more dramatically sooner rather than later, gosh, if they think that, then they may sell off worried that there's not money to support these lofty levels. Okay, so let the line here be your guide. Okay, let the line here be your guide. It'll be a nice move if we can get a close over that line. And where's our target? It's simple to say. The target is right here. Come here. Where are you? Okay, this is our target zone right here. Okay, a floor pivot and a channel line. Okay, very good. All right, let's look at the weekly chart just in case you didn't catch yesterday's review. And here's the weekly chart. Is it really any surprise here? You know, we come to the top and price rejects it, and that's all that's going on. Okay, all right, let's go to trend and momentum. I should say I do measure 34 exponential moving average. Super freight train. Okay, real strong. Okay, let's go to back to the daily, and let me just pull the indicator back up. On the CCI, if we see this break through the red line, that's a very positive signal. And that says, whoop, we're going up to hit that target. Okay, good. Let's look at day trading. Now, I use a 10 range bar chart. Remember, I said that if we break out of this line here, we drew the line, we're going to probably touch this level. Well, we did, didn't we? Yep, exceeded it a little bit and ended up closing right here. This is so common, okay? And by the way, we would consider this day a turnaround Tuesday. We were down on Monday, typical, and a turnaround Tuesday. We discussed that. All right, so over to the right, our floor pivots, okay? And I'm going to get rid. I wonder if delete that. I think that's that pullback line I drew on the other chart. Okay, so here's the main floor pivot for tomorrow. If we move higher, okay, let's just draw this out. We'll retest highs, and that'll be so close to a floor pivot that we'll probably see price run up here, okay? Right in that area. Obviously, we can drop down. My goodness, yes, of course. So I'm going to draw where we expect to see. Price would probably come down into this area right here. Why? Well, that would represent touching the floor pivot as well as, you know, an area of support, right? See how many times this was touched? Okay. So that's the idea for tomorrow. Now let's draw some lines. There's one. And let's see another one. There's the other one. Okay. So if we break to the upside, boom, we're going up here to this floor pivot, this window area. If we drop to the bottom, I expect we're going to this floor pivot here, and it's also an area this price is showing. Hey, I like it down here. Okay, very good. Now, after the market opens and after that first hour and a half, I expect if tradition holds, it's going to dry up, and then suddenly at 2 p.m. Eastern Standard, that's when the fireworks start. So on a day like tomorrow, I always schedule to, catch some morning moves, and then I just, hey, I take an extended lunch, or I go do something out in the backyard or whatever, look at something else in the office, research something. But I'm not going to waste my time sitting in front of the computer when I know that it tends to go quiet in front of these reports, okay? All right. Very good. Remember, ADP at 8:15 a.m., FOMC minutes at 2 p.m. We could get a little kick at 3 when consumer credit is reported, okay? If it shows that Americans are spending like crazy on credit cards, that's a positive for the market. I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye now.